Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you this amazing program called BookFold Pro where you can make your own patterns absolutely free. It's very easy, it has great guides, so let's get started. Today I want to show you this amazing free resource by BookFold Pro. I was beyond amazed when I was looking at it. So you can create free patterns and they come with guides. You can have it in a graph format. You can have it in a table format. They provide so much guidance. It's pretty amazing. So I'm going to do this as if I'd never done this before. So first of all, you can have free patterns that have already been made, and then you can customize them. But if you want to create your very own, you're just going to go ahead and get started for free. And if you want to do a word, so say you wanted to do the word love, you go ahead and type in love. It would help if I had my fingers on the right keys. And then you can decide what page you want to start on, what page you want to end on. So I'm going to pretend that I want 401 pages. And then my book measures 22 centimeters. And then you can decide on the style. So I am going to do a mark and fold, which is perfect for a beginner. And then you click visualize pattern. And it shows you what it's going to look like. Now, I did the love. It also allows you, which I was really beyond impressed with, to change the font to whatever you'd like. So say you wanted to do Comic Sans. It would be like that. And you can see right away what the different fonts would look like. And then you scroll down. Again, you can change to the different styles. So I'm doing mark and fold for now. And then you can tell it to stretch it or center it. And then all you have to do is export PDF. And then you can decide, do you want the table? Do you want it the graph style? And then do you want to include the guide? So I'm going to do it I like the classic. I just think it's a little cleaner. And then you can decide on the color you like. I'm going to change it to black because my printer is black. I just think it's easier to read. And then if you want to compress it or not. So if you compress it, it's going to shrink the table so that there isn't as much spacing and it's not going to take up as much room. That's totally up to you. I just happen to like it that style. And then you can give a title. So for me, I'm going to title it Love. The author is me. And then you click Generate PDF. And then you can join their Facebook group, which I would highly recommend, which I've already done. And then you're going to find your PDF. And here it is. How beautiful did that come out? So again, this is the compressed PDF. So it has the two different columns. And then it gives you, if you want it in the graph. And then this, I absolutely love. I think this is brilliant. It gives you a quick tutorial on the style you chose. I mean, it really does not get simpler than that. So let's go ahead and go back to the program. It also has something that I love for beginners called Fold Assist. So say you want to go to page 31. It's going to show you that you're doing two marks, one at 5, and it looks like one right around 16. So it's really nice how it shows you exactly where you're measuring it. And a lot of beginners make the same mistake where they don't measure both from the top of the ruler. So this really is just a really good reminder that both measurements are from the top. So I really like that. And then you can go back by clicking right here. And it's really nice. It tells you exactly what book folding is. You can scroll right through there. And then it also has a guide. So it shows you how to read it. It shows you the common mistakes. It gives you the different ways of measuring. And then it also provides videos. I mean, I love it because they're highlighting my videos, so I love that. But for every style, it shows you the video, and then it gives you the graphics to go along with it. I mean, this is just a beautiful, beautiful way to make free patterns. So let's go ahead and make one more pattern. So again, I'm going to go to Launch App. And then this time, let's go ahead and do a custom image. So I already made this design, Ti amo. And then I'm just going to go ahead and download it as a PNG. And then I'm going to go back into the program, upload my image that I just downloaded. And here we are. And then again, you can decide how many pages. So because this is more of a horizontal pattern, I'm probably going to go with, say, 471. And my book is 22 centimeters. And I'm going to do this as, let's do it as a combi. I think combis are beautiful. And I'm going to click Visualize Pattern. And there it is. That's the 3D realistic. I can see it as a 2D if you prefer, or a flat 2D. Totally up to you. And then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click Stretch. Now that makes it can go from page 1 all the way to the end. And then here's our fold assist if you're new to cut and fold. And on page 17, it's showing you the 4 measurements and then what it's going to look like when you cut it. Here it is in table format. Here it is if you prefer the graph. And then I'm going to export it. Again, I just prefer the classic. I'm going to do it in black. I'm not going to include the graph this time because I just want it in the table. And I'm going to print the guide with it. And this time, let's not compress it, just so you can see the difference. And I'm going to call this Te amo, which means I love you in Spanish. Author is myself. And then I'm going to click Generate the download. Click on the download. And there we go. I honestly cannot believe how easy this is. I love that it's free. And it gives you this professional pattern. You really can't beat this. And then the directions. If you want to support this amazing company, you could buy them a cup of coffee, which is right on the bottom. Buy me a cup of coffee. So this is just a great way to get started in book folding. Enjoy.